Have you ever wondered about the mysteries hidden deep in the ocean? We all know the dangers of animals that live on land, but below the waves, there is a whole different world filled with sharp-toothed, finned, and venomous creatures. Today, let's uncover the 20 most dangerous and hazardous fish in our world. Number 20. The electric eel. Electric eels are snake-like creatures that can reach an impressive length of up to 2.5 meters, making them one of the largest freshwater eels in existence. Their bodies are streamlined in such a way that they can navigate through the water with ease and efficiency. And just as the name suggests, this fish is an electricity-generating machine. This is due to its specialized organs known as electrocytes, located within their bodies. These organs allow them to produce electric discharges for various purposes, including hunting, communication, and self-defense. Generally, they are capable of discharging voltages up to 600 volts, making them one of the most electrically potent creatures on Earth. Underwater, its shocks are primarily used to immobilize and incapacitate prey, stunning or even killing small fish and invertebrates with their electrifying arsenal. Electric eels possess a potent hunting tool that enables them to secure sustenance in their freshwater habitats. While electric eels are not inherently dangerous to humans, their electric shocks can be quite a lot to handle. These shocks can cause discomfort and, in rare cases, lead to injuries or even lead to unconsciousness, and that's a big problem if you are swimming. So whenever you're swimming along the South American water, particularly the Amazon and Orinoco river basins, and you notice this fish, it might be best to turn around and swim the other way. Number 19. The piranhas. If you've ever snorkeled in the Amazon basin, there is a great chance that in one of your expeditions you must have encountered piranhas. Piranhas can be relatively small, typically measuring between 15 to 25 centimeters in length. These fish have very sharp and interlocking teeth, which they use in tearing through their prey with precision. Most people need to know that not all piranhas attack humans. With more than 30 piranha species in the world, it is only the red-bellied piranha that is the subject of most of the man-eater legends. Red-bellied piranha attacks tend to peak in the dry season, when food is scarce and water levels are low. Remember the saying that a hungry man is an angry man? Exactly. Hungry piranhas will bite at almost anything, even other piranhas. Because piranhas frequently prey on themselves, this behavior has driven their evolutionary adaptation towards having extremely fast fins and muscular body walls, which contribute to their reputation as one of the most formidable and revered fish in the world. Number 18. The lionfish. The lionfish was first spotted in South Florida waters in 1985. Years later, this fish gradually transitioned to other parts of the world. This included the warm tropical waters of the South Pacific and the Indo-Pacific region. Adorned in bold maroon, brown, and white stripes, lionfish drift through the water by gently waving their fan-like fins. However, they are found in depths between 350 feet on hard bottom, mangrove, seagrass, coral, and artificial reefs. Similarly, they are nocturnal hunters and can consume over 50 species of fish, including some economically and ecologically important species. Lionfish chomp down on their prey by using their outstretched, fan-like pectoral fins to slowly pursue and corner them. To humans, lionfish can appear soft and delicate, but beware. These mysterious species are armed to the teeth with venomous spines. Wondering how this venom affects you? Well, the poisonous stings can cause intense pain and sweating, and in extreme cases, respiratory distress and paralysis. As it stands, the only advice is to avoid lionfish habitats. Number 17. The barracuda. When you think of barracuda, think of an underwater space rocket. With its elongated body and charming look, the barracuda is a creature of both beauty and danger. These creatures are found in warm and tropical waters worldwide, inhabiting coastal regions, coral reefs, and open ocean environments. They can be as long as 2 meters. This length allows them to effortlessly glide through the water with astonishing agility. The largest barracuda ever caught is the Guinean barracuda, snagged in southern Africa. Being the largest, this fish weighed a whopping 100 pounds and was over 6 feet 10 inches long. No matter the size of a barracuda, when hunting, they generally employ a variety of tactics such as stalking and stealthily approaching their prey before launching a lightning-fast strike. Their sharp teeth, coupled with their impressive size and strength, enable them to inflict serious injuries on their prey. The barracuda's ability to strike with lightning speed and its voracious appetite for smaller marine creatures make it a top predator in the underwater ecosystem. Cases where barracuda attack humans are rare. However, whenever it feels threatened in its territory, the barracuda can become so defensive and go all out to seek its prey. Well, the logic is quite precise. Avoid their territory, and they won't come near you. Number 16. The Great White Shark. Thanks to the immensely popular 1975 film Jaws, which starred a massive great white shark, Since then, the species has enjoyed both fame and respect. The great white shark is a formidable and iconic apex predator of the ocean. It is renowned for its immense size, energy, and reputation as a fearsome hunter. With its distinctively sleek and muscular body, dark gray dorsal surface, and a row of menacing serrated teeth, the great white shark possesses a commanding presence that strikes awe and fear into the hearts of many. This majestic creature is mostly found in coastal waters throughout the world's oceans, especially in areas flocking with abundant marine life. From temperate to tropical regions, the great white shark roams the depths, often patrolling near the surface in search of its next meal, and when it finds one, it attacks with fierce power. This fish is known for its remarkable migratory patterns, traveling vast distances in pursuit of prey and suitable breeding grounds. As one of the largest predatory fish, the great white shark can reach lengths of up to 6 meters and weigh over 2,000 kilograms. That's almost double of a Class 5 medium-duty truck. Its immense size and strength, coupled with its sharp teeth, enable it to take down a variety of marine creatures, including seals, sea lions, and other fish species. While the great white shark has a fearsome reputation, it is not inherently prone to target humans as prey. Incidents involving human encounters with great white sharks are rare, and the majority of such interactions are cases of mistaken identity. Nevertheless, due to their powerful bites and potential for inflicting severe injuries, caution is advised when encountering these magnificent creatures. Number 15. Moray eels. Moray eels have razor-sharp teeth that point backward, making it difficult for prey to escape once captured. They also possess pharyngeal jaws, meaning they have 2 sets of jaws. The outer jaws will grasp its prey, and the inner jaws will lunge forward from the throat to pull the unfortunate down the gullet. Found around the tropical and subtropical waters around the world, these serpentine-bodied creatures often dwell in crevices and rocky areas of coral reefs. Like any other eel, the Moray eels feature various colors and patterns, including shades of brown, green, or black. With this pigmentation, they can seamlessly hide themselves and become completely invisible from their surroundings. Typically, we have over 200 species of Moray eels. Among these, the ribbon and the dragon Moray eels are more common. These eels are professional ambush predators, relying on their excellent sense of smell and sharp teeth to capture their prey. They have a reputation for their strong bite, which is facilitated by their powerful jaws and backward-curving teeth. While their bites can be painful and potentially injurious, they are usually defensive when they feel threatened or cornered by humans. Provoking or mishandling a Moray eel can trigger a defensive response, which could lead to bites and lacerations. Now it's time for today's topic. In March 2026, father and son Diverse Mark and Ethan Collins were walking along the shoreline near Oahu after a morning dive when they noticed something massive half-buried in the wet sand. As they cleared away the sediment, they uncovered a colossal fossilized tooth, far larger than any they had ever seen. Experts later compared it to specimens from the extinct Megalodon, but this one appeared even broader and thicker. Marine paleontologist Dr. Keone Hale from the University of Hawaii examined it and suggested it may belong to an unusually large individual or even a previously unknown lineage. The discovery has reignited fears about the true scale of ancient ocean predators and what once ruled beneath the waves. Number 14. The box jellyfish. Chironex fleckeri. That might be difficult to pronounce, but don't fret. It's just the scientific name for a box jellyfish commonly found in the warm coastal waters of the Indo-Pacific region and northern Queensland, Australia. Its transparent, bell-shaped body, often measuring up to 30 centimeters in diameter, adds to its stealthy nature as it drifts through the water with an eerie grace. One thing makes this creature particularly dangerous: its tentacles. These tentacles can be up to 15 in number, growing from each corner of its bell. That's the upper cube-shaped part of its body. Each tentacle has about 5,000 stinging cells and can be up to 10 feet in length. These tentacles contain thousands of microscopic nematocysts. These specialized cells possess venomous barbs that can inject potent toxins into unsuspecting prey or any unfortunate creature that comes into contact with the box jellyfish. Human encounters with the box jellyfish venom can lead to excruciating pain, severe skin reactions, cardiovascular complications, and in some cases, even death. The venom acts rapidly, overwhelming the body's defenses and causing a cascade of harmful effects. In extreme cases, cardiac arrest or respiratory failure may occur, making immediate medical attention crucial. To make matters worse, the box jellyfish tentacle can remain active and discharge venom even when it is dead. This is an indication to avoid physical contact with the box jellyfish and its ecosystem. Number 13. The blue-ringed octopus. The most striking feature of the blue-ringed octopus is its vibrant display of blue rings adorning its body. These rings make it seem cartoonish and charming, but they serve as a warning, signaling its potent venomous nature. Measuring only a few inches in size, the blue-ringed octopus uses its remarkable ability to change color and pattern to camouflage itself in its surroundings, often blending seamlessly with the environment. What sets the blue-ringed octopus apart is its venom, which contains a potent neurotoxin called tetrodotoxin. The venom can paralyze a prey within minutes, rendering it helpless. The toxin can also kill 26 humans within minutes, and it is more than 1,000 times stronger than cyanide. The blue-ringed octopus's striking appearance and lethal venom serve as a reminder of the complexity and diversity of marine life. Number 12. The bull shark. When you mention the great white shark and tiger sharks, it's only normal to remember their cousin, the bull shark. Weighing between 200 to 500 pounds, this river terror gets its name from its short, blunt snout as well as its combative propensity and a tendency to headbutt its prey before attacking. They can be found cruising the shallow, warm waters of all the world's oceans. These gargantuan creatures are swift swimmers, and with their speed, they can catch up with and eat almost anything they see, including fish, dolphins, and even other sharks. The danger of the bull shark extends not only to other marine creatures but also to humans. These sharks are known for their propensity to inhabit shallow coastal waters, including estuaries and river mouths. Their ability to tolerate fresh water and shallow waters enables them to venture into rivers and lakes, bringing them into closer proximity to human populations. These legendary creatures are considered one of the most aggressive shark species, displaying territorial behavior and a willingness to engage in confrontations. With powerful jaws armed with numerous sharp teeth, the bull shark possesses formidable biting capabilities. If its immense size fails to instill fear in you, then its powerful bite should be reason enough to steer clear of this formidable beast. Number 11. The stingray. The stingray is an intriguing inhabitant of tropical and subtropical coastal waters around the world. Its size and weight can vary among species, with lengths ranging from 30 centimeters to over 2 meters, and weight spanning from a few kilograms to hundreds of kilograms. But size can be deceiving because the stingray possesses a considerable amount of danger. The danger of a stingray lies in its tail. This tail is equipped with sharp, barbed stingers. These stingers are capable of delivering venomous toxins when the stingray feels threatened or agitated. When the stingray strikes, it swiftly thrusts its tail, embedding the stinger into its target, injecting venom that can cause severe pain and other adverse effects. While stingrays are not inherently aggressive towards humans, they can exhibit defensive behavior when provoked or inadvertently stepped on. In these instances, they may deliver a sting as a means of self-defense. To escape the deadly jabs of stingrays, try to exercise some caution, especially when you are in stingray habitats, and avoid provoking or approaching them too closely. Number 10. The stonefish. Meet the stonefish, an enigmatic creature whose deceptively camouflaged exterior belies its deadly nature. This creature was first discovered in the early 1800s in the coastal waters of the Indo-Pacific region. This master of disguise continues to haunt the tropical reefs and shallow waters to this day. The stonefish, with its intricate stone-like patterns and spiny dorsal fins, thrives in a variety of marine environments, from coral reefs and rocky coastal areas to muddy estuaries. It adapts seamlessly to its surroundings, making it a formidable predator and a challenge to spot. Measuring up to a mere 30 centimeters in length and resembling a medium-sized sardine, the stonefish appears harmless and stony, but don't let this fool you. It is one of the most dangerous underwater creatures. This deadly water ninja uses its unrivaled venomous spines to immobilize and paralyze its prey, injecting venom into their prey. This venom contains toxins that can rapidly affect the nervous system, causing paralysis and making it easier for the stonefish to consume. For humans, this poison can be excruciatingly painful and potentially life-threatening. The stonefish's ability to deliver a venomous strike and disappear into the depths leaves a lasting impression of its formidable nature. Number 9. Fangtooth fish. With its large and disproportionately sized teeth, it's only obvious why this fish is given this particular name. It has long, sharp fangs in its upper and lower jaws, which are some of the largest teeth relative to body size found in any fish species. While its appearance may be intimidating, the fangtooth fish primarily feeds on smaller fish and crustaceans. Its sharp teeth and powerful jaws allow it to capture and consume prey items in its deep-sea habitat. Interestingly, this fish can be found as deep as 16,404 feet, making it one of the deepest living fish. And like the Hollywood vampires, the fangtooth hardly swims during the day, but at night it migrates up to shallower water to feed. Another thing is the fangtooth fish's adaptation to the extreme environment of the deep sea. This has contributed to its unique features, including having a dark, almost black coloration, which enables it to blend into murky waters. Number 8. The tiger shark. Undoubtedly, the tiger shark stands as one of the sea's most formidable and dangerous creatures, striking fear into the hearts of swimmers and fishermen alike. Weighing up to a staggering 1,400 pounds, it not only poses a threat to the marine world, but also serves as a nightmarish presence for those who dare to venture into its domain. What sets it apart from other shark species is the distinct dark stripes adorning its sides and back, providing a visual identifier in the vast expanse of the ocean. Despite its massive size, the tiger shark does not possess the remarkable speed one might expect. However, it compensates with its voracious appetite and diverse diet, earning the moniker the garbage can of the sea. This striped behemoth is known to feast upon a wide range of prey, including fish, crustaceans, sea turtles, seals, dolphins, and even other sharks. Its opportunistic nature ensures that no available meal goes unclaimed. Equipped with an array of extraordinary senses, the tiger shark is a highly efficient predator. Its keen sense of smell, excellent hearing, and powerful jaws enable it to launch swift and devastating attacks, delivering bone-crushing bites from any angle. The ferocity and adaptability of the tiger shark make it a force to be reckoned with in the oceanic realm. Number 7. The giant squid. With its colossal size and mysterious nature, the giant squid embodies an aura of danger within the depths of the ocean. As its name suggests, the giant squid is truly gigantic. It holds the title as one of the largest known invertebrates, with lengths reaching up to a staggering 13 meters or more. Additionally, it possesses a long, cylindrical body and powerful tentacles, each lined with suckers and equipped with sharp rotating hooks. They can shoot their powerful tentacles to snatch prey up to 10 meters away. These tentacles are very long, often doubling the total length of the giant squid itself. While the giant squid is an unforgiving predator, it is important to note that their encounters with humans are exceptionally rare. Although they hardly attack humans, these enigmatic monsters are capable of bringing down ships with their tentacled arms. This is an indication that at all costs, their habitats should be avoided. Number 6. Stargazers. Stargazers can be found along the Atlantic coast of Europe and Africa and are also very common in the Mediterranean and Black Sea. They come in different sizes depending on the species, ranging from a few centimeters to over 90 centimeters in length. Their bodies are typically elongated and cylindrical, with flattened heads featuring upward-facing eyes. These special but deadly eyes allow stargazers to lie partially buried in sand or mud, camouflaging themselves while awaiting their prey. But sneak attacks aren't their only specialty. Some species of stargazers are also equipped with electric organs, which are located near their eyes. These organs are used to deliver electric shocks of up to 50 volts. Although the voltage of the electric shock delivered by the stargazer may not be particularly intimidating, its sting harbors one of the world's most potent and lethal toxins. In fact, there have been reports of casualties resulting from encounters with the venomous sting of this remarkable fish. Number 5. Hairy frogfish. The hairy frogfish, also known as the striated fish, has a distinctive body shape characterized by its stocky build, broad head, and mouth that can extend forward to engulf prey. The creature typically reaches a length of about 15 to 20 centimeters, with some species growing slightly larger. The body of the hairy frogfish is adorned with a variety of colors and patterns, including mottled or striated markings that provide excellent camouflage against their surroundings. But its abnormal shape isn't the only thing that makes the frogfish different from other fish. The fish is very fast. When an unsuspecting prey item comes within range, the frogfish strikes with astonishing speed, using its expandable mouth to chomp down the prey in a fraction of a second. In the realm of underwater marvels, the striated frogfish stands as a fascinating and cryptic creature. Number 4. The sawfish. Sawfishes are found in shallow water in subtropical and tropical regions of the world, and they are bottom dwellers, frequenting bays and estuaries and sometimes swimming considerable distances up rivers. But the most distinctive feature of the sawfish is its elongated snout, known as a rostrum, which is lined with sharp tooth-like projections. This rostrum resembles a saw, earning the fish its name. Depending on the species, sawfish can reach lengths ranging from 2 to 7 meters, making them one of the largest fish in their respective habitats. They can weigh several hundred kilograms, further emphasizing their substantial size and strength. This elongated snout makes the sawfish a natural hunter. It can use the snout to incapacitate and disorientate its prey, making it easier to capture and consume. Also, the sharp teeth-like projections on the rostrum can cause severe lacerations and injuries to other marine creatures and humans unfortunate enough to come within range. Number 3. The puffer fish. In the realms of dangerous fish and animals beneath the waves, one fish is infamous for its unique defense mechanism, the puffer fish. Generally, there are more than 120 species of puffer fish, and most are found in tropical and subtropical ocean waters. No matter the species, pufferfish have long, tapered bodies with bulbous heads, as well as cryptic coloring to blend in with their environment. With their expandable stomach, they can quickly ingest huge amounts of water to turn themselves into virtually inedible balls several times their normal size. And with these abilities, they have survived the most vicious sea animals. When threatened, this transformation happens in seconds, catching predators completely off guard. Their bodies swell into a spiky, inflated form that is both difficult and dangerous to attack. Even large predators often back away, recognizing the risk associated with such an unusual defense. Beneath the surface, they move calmly and slowly, giving little indication of how dangerous they truly are. Observing one in its natural habitat can be strangely mesmerizing, as it drifts through coral reefs with an almost peaceful presence. But that calm exterior hides one of the most potent natural toxins found in the ocean. Many who encounter them for the first time underestimate just how deadly they can be. Aside from its survival instinct, the pufferfish is a dangerous breed. This is evident in its ability to produce potent toxins, specifically tetrodotoxin. This venom is often found in various parts of the pufferfish's body, including the liver, skin, and internal organs. Shockingly, according to a report, tetrodotoxin is 1,200 times deadlier than cyanide. This makes the puffer fish venom and the fish itself a harbinger of evil that must be avoided. Number 2. The Goliath Tigerfish. Commonly found in the rivers and lakes of Central and West Africa, the Goliath Tigerfish is a true titan of the freshwater realm. Its elongated body is streamlined for rapid movement, while its large, powerful jaws are armed with about 32 razor-sharp teeth, and each can measure up to 1 inch in length. These teeth, resembling those of a tiger, are perfectly adapted for capturing and immobilizing prey. Also, the Goliath tigerfish has a double-hinged jaw. This means the fish can effortlessly open its jaws a lot wider than other fish. In the fast-moving currents of the Congo River, these predators thrive where many other fish struggle to survive. The powerful flow of the water provides the perfect hunting ground, allowing them to ambush prey with incredible speed. Fishermen in the region often speak of sudden strikes that happen without warning, leaving little chance for escape. Some have described seeing flashes of silver beneath the surface just moments before a violent attack occurs. Their aggressive nature and raw power make them one of the most feared creatures in their habitat. Even experienced anglers approach these waters with caution, fully aware of what might be lurking below. Encounters with these fish are rare but unforgettable, leaving a lasting impression on those who witness their strength. Their big jaws and scary size are not even what makes the Goliath tigerfish dangerous. These creatures are feared for a reason. They are the most dangerous freshwater fish found in Africa. As a matter of fact, there are reports of natives in the Congo being bitten by these mysterious fish, and even a limited number of deaths reported. Number 1. Wels catfish. The Wels catfish is renowned for its substantial size. This fish can reach up to 10 feet long and weigh a record 500 pounds, making them one of the largest freshwater fish in Europe. Their elongated bodies are covered in mottled patterns, providing excellent camouflage in their aquatic environments. In many rivers and lakes, these massive fish remain hidden in murky depths, rarely revealing themselves to humans. Their ability to blend into the environment makes them nearly invisible until they choose to move. Anglers often report feeling a sudden, powerful pull on their lines, only to realize they may have hooked something far larger than expected. Some stories describe long battles between fishermen and these giants, lasting for hours before the fish is finally brought to the surface. Observers are often shocked by their size, as they emerge from the water like something from another era. In certain regions, legends have even formed around unusually large individuals, giving them an almost mythical reputation. Whether fact or exaggeration, these encounters add to the mystery surrounding the species. As a formidable predator, the Wels catfish primarily feeds on fish, crustaceans, and other aquatic organisms. Its large mouth, equipped with numerous sharp teeth, allows it to seize and engulf its prey with precision. This catfish is an opportunistic hunter, employing ambush tactics and lurking in submerged structures or deep pools to launch a surprise attack on its prey. In terms of danger to humans, the Wels catfish is generally not considered a threat. However, there have been occasional incidents where anglers or swimmers have encountered larger whales exhibiting aggressive behavior, particularly when they feel threatened or provoked. It is important to exercise caution when engaging with the Wels catfish to prevent any potential harm. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.